Welcome to the Ben Impact Kitchen. Once again, we're here ready to explore another delicious recipe. So today we're going to make a delicious protein bar. Okay, it's gonna be packed with carbohydrate, protein, some fats. It's gonna be exceptionally good, especially for a pre-workout or a post-workout meal if you want. And we're gonna start by looking at the ingredients. Sorry, stripping here. So we have 250 grams of oats, 2 cups of protein powder. You may choose chocolate or any other flavor you like. I chose vanilla. 40 grams of cocoa powder, 92 grams of organic peanut butter, 85 grams of organic honey, 100 ml or 100 grams of milk. And here I have about 50 grams of 85% chocolate, okay? Pure chocolate. And we're just gonna use here just for a sprinkle of salt. Okay, so we're gonna measure all the ingredients to make sure I have the proper amounts. We're gonna mix first all the dry ingredients. Pour in the peanut butter. This peanut butter is so delicious. You guys should enjoy what you eat. Remember, 85 grams of this delicious honey. Perfect, 85 grams. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put just a little pinch of salt. The recipe calls for 1/4 teaspoon, so we're just gonna mix all the ingredients here around. And I'm just gonna wait a little bit to put the milk in because I want first all the other liquids to mix well. In this case, liquids will be the peanut butter and the honey. And if you can see here, starting to form some consistency. All the ingredients should just be mashed together. And then we're gonna add the milk. We can add the milk a little bit at a time. And then as you can see here, we've formed some consistency. I'm going to chop the chocolate here and put into the mix. Make sure they're small enough. Good. Chop, chop, chop. I love to chop. If you're not having fun while you're cooking, hey, it means you're not doing it right. Okay? As with with anything else in life, just have fun. Everything. Let's set this aside. Then let's continue our mixing. I got myself a Ziploc, and then I have here this container that is 28 centimeters.
26 by 20?
26 by 20. Okay, centimeters. Remember, I do everything in centimeters, grams, and kilograms. Okay? I'm Italian here. Our mixture here. Let me break it in two though. And let me just put it in here. Never happens that when you cook something, your surfaces and everything is gonna be clean, but we're striving for that today. We're gonna take our Ziploc, we're gonna close it. I used the Ziploc because I wanted to put the dough, whatever you're going to call this, to put it here, and so to make it easier for me to spread it out. You have something that resembles a nice shape. What we're gonna do after this step, I'm gonna place this in the freezer for 30 minutes, 35 minutes, depends. I'm gonna cut here in the middle and then take 14 pieces total. So from this, I will get a total of 14 pieces. We're gonna put this in the freezer. It didn't take us that much to prepare these protein bars. As you can see, we have them right here. Beautiful. I love it. You guys are going to enjoy these. And let's go to the macros. For these delicious protein bars, we're going to have a total of 187 calories, if you really want to be precise, for each one of these. And they're going to contain 9 grams of protein, 23 grams of carbs, and 7 grams of fats. They're really the perfect snack for a pre-workout, 30 minutes before, for a post-workout, or just for a simple snack. Take into account your total micronutrients, and let's do the taste test. Guys, delicious, love it. Let me know if you like it. Subscribe, share, comment. Let me know if there's any other recipe you would like me to do. And I'll see you next time. So it didn't take us that much. Haha. So again, producer.
Oh. Very good.
Delicious.